So yesterday, we brought news to you about the comedian, actor, and reality TV star Kevin Hart being involved in a terrible car crash with two others, where he suffered major back injuries. Well, there's good news. So the doctors have completed a successful back surgery on him, and reports say that the comedian is expected to remain in the hospital for at least a couple of days while he recovers.
Yippee!
So he's alive!
We have our Kevin Hart.
You know, yesterday when we got this news, it was
heartbreaking,
saddening,
heart-wrecking,
and it was like sort of depressing, like, you know.
Yeah.
But now,
how hopeful
since he's in the hospital,
and then the surgery was successful.
Yeah, so there's hopeful reports for that.
Yes, and I'm not going to think about that. No,
I feel like this might be an inspiration for another movie.
True. Let's look at it from that.
Let's wait on it.
It's a successful, so we have nothing to fear.
All right, I don't know what you think about that, but do put your comments and whatever you think on our social media handles.